This is Sam Philidgar, founder, CEO, and lead consultant at Evo Human X. I want to share something exciting with you guys. We have a AI coach agent that we have been developing for the last couple of months, that's internally and for our clients. Just want to run you through this demo. So right now, this is called 11 Labs. It's one of those platforms out there where you can create a voice agent or a call agent. So anybody can do that right now. But however, our secret sauce, since we're a training company, is how do we train that model to get you seamless interaction? Let's say if it's making a call to a customer or actually coaching a client. So let me run you through this demo of one of our coaches, AI coaches that we've actually trained on how to conduct a coaching session.
Mark, your AI coach from Evo Human X. How can I help you today?
Hi, Mark. I want to discuss something with you, a challenge that I'm going through. It's whenever I give presentations, I feel nervous and self-conscious. So I'm wondering if you can help me with that.
Hey there, I understand. Giving presentations can be nerve-wracking for many people. To help me understand your situation better, could you tell me a bit more about what specifically makes you feel nervous and self-conscious during presentations? For example, is it the audience, the content, or something else?
Yeah, well, I prepare very well before I go into a presentation. It's just that I kind of feel nervous and the performance goes down. So I don't feel like I'm giving much of an impact.
I see. So it sounds like even with thorough preparation, you still experience performance anxiety that affects your delivery and the impact you feel you're making. That's completely understandable. Many high achievers experience this. To give you the best advice, could you tell me about the type of presentations you give? Are they formal presentations to large groups, informal presentations to smaller teams, or also what kind of impact are you hoping to make?
Yeah, it's a formal presentation that I give to the division manager. So I kind of get anxious or nervous when I'm presenting in front of an authority figure.
Okay, that clarifies things. Presenting to management, especially a division manager, definitely adds another layer of pressure. It sounds like you're dealing with a combination of performance anxiety and perhaps some authority figure anxiety. That's a common experience. Here are a few strategies you might find helpful. First, let's address the performance anxiety. Practicing your presentation beforehand is great, but let's make it more effective. Instead of just running through it, try simulating the actual presentation environment as closely as possible. This could involve practicing in front of a mirror, recording yourself, or even presenting to a trusted friend or colleague for feedback. The goal is to get comfortable with the material and the feeling of presenting. Second, let's tackle the authority figure anxiety. One technique is to reframe your perspective on the division manager. Instead of seeing them as an intimidating authority figure, try to view them as someone who's interested in hearing your ideas and understanding your work. Remember, they likely want you to succeed. Focusing on the shared goal, a successful presentation that conveys your ideas effectively, can help alleviate some of the pressure.
You're saying I should kind of change my focus on the situation or how I'm perceiving the basically the manager.
Exactly. Instead of focusing on your fear of the manager's judgment, focus on the shared goal, successful presentation that clearly communicates your ideas and insights. Think of it as a collaborative effort, not a performance under scrutiny. Shifting your focus this way,
Changing my focus from being evaluated to basically I'm contributing to the whole process of achieving this target, this goal, common goal.
precisely, you're shifting from a mindset of being evaluated to one of contributing. This subtle change in perspective can make a huge difference in how you experience the presentation and how confident you feel. What do you think about trying this approach in your next presentation? Perhaps we can discuss some specific techniques to help you make
I
the
love
shift
it.
in focus during the
Thank you,
actual.
Mark. Okay, so as you can see, this is a seamless interaction that we've designed the agent to talk to you in a seamless form where it's conversationally the most normal conversation that you can have with an AI coach agent. Again, this is all about the prompting, the prompt engineering, the training of the model so that it actually does create something that is practical, impactful, and most importantly, it gives you the results that are intended in a very seamless, humanistic fashion. Anyway, this is just an idea. If you want us to actually help you deploy an AI coach agent for your organization, please get in touch with us or any other agentic AI that can actually assist you in achieving your targets in your organization. Wish you the best of luck.